Australia First Squadron and RPAS Flight School, a Transport Canada-listed RPAS ground and flight school. Check out our drone services and courses at aurapilot.ca.
Flight Operations, SFOC Special Flight Operations Certificate. Subpart 3, Special Flight Operations, Remotely Piloted Aircraft Systems. Prohibition. 903.01 No person shall conduct any of the following operations using a remotely piloted aircraft system that includes a remotely piloted aircraft having a maximum takeoff weight of 250 grams. 0.55 pounds, or more unless the person complies with the provisions of a Special Flight Operations Certificate, RPAS issued by the Minister under Section 903.03. The operation of a system that includes a remotely piloted aircraft having a maximum takeoff weight of more than 25 kilograms, 55 pounds. B. The operation of a system beyond visual line of sight, as referred to in subsection 901.11(2). C. The operation of a system by a foreign operator or pilot who has been authorized to operate remotely piloted aircraft systems by the foreign state. D. The operation of a remotely piloted aircraft at an altitude greater than those referred to in subsection 901.25(1), unless the operation at a greater altitude is authorized under subsection 901.71(2). E. The operation of more than 5 remotely piloted aircraft at a time from a single control station, as referred to in subsection 901.40(2). F. The operation of a system at a special aviation event or at an advertised event, as referred to in section 901.41. G. The operation of a system when the aircraft is transporting any of the payloads referred to in subsection 901.43(1). H. The operation of a remotely piloted aircraft within 3 nautical miles of an aerodrome operated under the authority of the Minister of National Defense, as referred to in subsection 901.47(3), and I. Any other operation of a system for which the Minister determines that a Special Flight Operations Certificate, RPAS, is necessary to ensure aviation safety or the safety of any person. Application for Special Flight Operations Certificate, RPAS. 903.02 A person who proposes to operate a remotely piloted aircraft system for any operation set out in Section 903.01 shall apply to the Minister for a Special Flight Operations Certificate, RPAS, with regard to that operation by submitting the following information to the Minister at least 30 working days before the date of the proposed operation. A. The legal name, trade name, address and contact information of the applicant. B. The means by which the person responsible for the operation or the pilot may be contacted directly during operations. C. The operation for which the application is made. D. The purpose of the operation. E. The dates, alternate dates and times of the operation. F. The manufacturer and model of the system, including 3-view drawings or photographs of the aircraft and a complete description of the aircraft, including performance, operating limitations and equipment. G. A description of the safety plan for the proposed area of operation. H. A description of the emergency contingency plan for the operation. I. A detailed plan describing how the operation is to be carried out. J. The names, certificates, licenses, permits and qualifications of the crew members, including the pilots and visual observers, and the remotely piloted aircraft system maintenance personnel. K. The instructions regarding the maintenance of the system and a description of how that maintenance will be performed. L. A description of weather minima for the operation. M. A description of separation and collision avoidance capability and procedures. N. A description of normal and emergency procedures for the operation. O. A description of air traffic control services coordination, if applicable, and p. Any other information requested by the Minister pertinent to the safe conduct of the operation. Previous version. Issuance of Special Flight Operations Certificate, RPAS. 903.03 The Minister shall, on receipt of an application submitted in accordance with Section 903.02, issue a Special Flight Operations Certificate, RPAS, if the applicant demonstrates to the Minister the ability to perform the operation without adversely affecting aviation safety or the safety of any person.
We are 1st Squadron and are past flight school. Check out our drone services and courses at auropilot.ca.